So one of the reasons is that by nature women are normally more than men. That's the reason you find more widows in the world than widowers. The woman without husband, that husband has died, is much more than a man whose wife has died. Because the life expectancy of a woman is much more. This is not the only, this is one of the major reasons that women are more in number. This is not the only reason why Islam allows a man to have more than one wife. There are many other reasons, I'll just touch on a few of them. For example, after a man marries, he realizes that his wife is sterile. She can't give birth to children. So, if both want children and both agree, the wife can say, no problem, since we don't have children, I wouldn't mind my husband marrying another woman so that we have children. Or hypothetically, even if the wife doesn't want. So the only option for the man is that he either gives divorce to his wife and marries a new wife, or keeps his first wife, marries the second wife, gives the first wife due rights, and marries the second wife and have children. Which is better? What is the fault of the woman if she's sterile? In other religions, you'll have to divorce her. Khalas. In Islam, if your wife is sterile, it is not a sin. It is not something which is bad. What you do? You keep your first wife, marry a second wife, give equality to both the wives, give respect both the wives, take care of both the wives and have children. Let me give you another reason. Maybe a young man marries a young woman, and within a couple of years, there's an accident. And in the accident, the wife, she finds herself that she cannot do the duties of her wife. Because of the accident, she cannot do the duty of a wife to the husband. Because of accident, she cannot take care of the children. So what to do now? Two options. Either he divorces the man, either the man divorces the wife who had accident and marries a new wife, or keeps her, marries another woman. That woman takes care of the children, takes care of him, and both are happy. Which is better? What is the fault of the woman if she has an accident? What is the fault? Nothing. Anyone can have an accident. Let me give you one more reason. Or maybe the wife has some terminal illness. In the terminal illness, she cannot take care of the children. She cannot take care of the husband. What can he do? He either divorces her and marries a new wife, or he keeps the first wife and marries the second wife.